Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify ads on Facebook, only way. Start by setting one campaign objective and choose one primary audience, then pick a clear call to action and budget window. Create a concise headline and an engaging image to match your product. Keep testing one variable at a time and review results after a set period. Stay focused and persistent to optimize spend and increase conversions. Select bold visuals and short copy that highlights benefit and solves one customer problem, then format assets to match Facebook placements. Create a single headline, a brief description, and a call to action that matches your landing page. Use mobile-first creative and keep text minimal on images to improve delivery. Rotate creatives weekly and keep a record of which combinations drive clicks and purchases for your Shopify store. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that lock securely and stack well for photos and packing, perfect for product shoots and shipping prep. They cut mess and save time when fulfilling orders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin with a modest daily budget to test 3 ad variations against one audience and track cost per conversion closely. Build lookalike audiences from your best customers and layer interest targeting for precise reach. Exclude recent purchasers to preserve efficiency and set frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue. Scale winners gradually and reallocate spend from poor performers to those with lower cost per purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.